Welcome to 30 Edward Street in Meningie. I'm Adam Hurl from Coorong Realty, and if you're looking for a family home that's private, lovely gardens but still in the centre of town, this place is for you. Come inside and take a look. Opens up to the beautiful kitchen. This place has been fully renovated. Absolutely lovely cabinetry, opens beautifully to the open plan living. Now this is fantastic for families. Look at that lovely lounge area. We've got the beautiful reverse cycle there. We've got the eating meals area as well, which leads straight in to the study nook. Come on through to the master bedroom. Absolutely well appointed. Open spaces is what this place is all about. A lovely appointed bathroom. Look how fresh that is. But the real fun begins outside. Come on through to the undercover outdoor entertaining deck. Beautiful gardens, privacy. You wouldn't know you're in town. This is a lovely retreat. And you can sit on this deck, entertain your friends and family, and just take in the serenity. This lovely family home has room for the kids as well. Check out this rumpus room or kids retreat. This is 30 Edward Street in Meningie, and I look forward to showing you through at a private inspection. Call me, Adam Hurl, on 0439 545 193.